Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we're here in Baltimore. We're at Fort Armistead Park. It's this cool little abandoned, graffitied up fort right down from Key Bridge in the Chesapeake Bay. So let's explore it and see what we can find. Looks like that's where a gun used to be mounted. Maybe. Who knows? I don't usually like to see graffiti in abandoned places, but this looks pretty cool. Wow, look at this. That is cool. Definitely gonna have to go on and explore that. Oh, you can't see it, but there's nothing but dead ends there. There. And then over here, we have stairs that seem to lead to nowhere. Wonder if this was like an old brig here at the fort. Oh, there's definitely a little corridor down there. Maybe we should go in and check it out. Found another little opening. It's definitely a little sketchy going through here, though. I forgot to bring a flashlight because I didn't think you'd actually be able to go inside. But there's really not much to see without a flashlight. Makes me really wonder what this place was like back when it was actually active. It's pretty cool to check out now. This room especially is awesome. It's really a shame to see a place like this with so much litter. Like, this seriously must just be the hallway of litter. As you can see, it's everywhere in here. Well, now that we've explored this place by the ground, let's take it up and see what we get from there. That was sketchy but fun here at Fort Armistead Park in Baltimore. Until next time, adventure on.